I'm going to be telling you how to build a flying machine. Of course you'll need wood. So yeah, get started. Oh, actually did that. Okay, first you're going to need to build that structure. You're going to need to push that up area a couple times. What the heck even is it? Yes, this chest. You're going to want to, need to do that, and then tap that twice, and boom. Then, tap this. You'll want to take this weird block, and then press on. And then when you jump, bam, you fly. So voila, you made a flying machine. Bye.